Welcome to a discussion about the future of the United Kingdom and how Tony Blair and William Hague's new report, A New National Purpose, Innovation Can Power the Future of Britain outlines plans to reverse the country's decline by taking advantage of artificial intelligence, biotech, and climate tech. The report highlights not only the need for the government to become a strategic state but also the need to establish a central unit to coordinate all science and technology investment beyond the current structure of the Treasury. The report also calls for a Minister for Science, Innovation, and Technology to spearhead the coordination of S&T investment and the creation of a White House Office of Science and Technology Policy-style agency to ensure UK science and technology policy is firmly embedded across government. The recommended technology infrastructure includes improved health infrastructure with greater interoperability and digital IDs for citizens, as well as new models of research and funding for ed-tech, life sciences, climate tech, and nuclear fusion. The report also references great British inventions, such as antibiotics, the radio telescope at Jodrell Bank, and the jet engine, as historical successes from which to learn and create a new niche in the global economy in the 2020s and beyond. Finally, Accenture's 2021 report, Technology Guide, reinforces the importance of investing in technology to provide greater employee experience, whilst the Tony Blair Institute, partnered with Oracle, has launched a cloud-based vaccine management platform in Africa. To discuss the report and plans for Britain to take advantage of the world's most future-facing technologies, join this discussion with Tony Blair and William Hague, to explore the potential of the new national purpose.